So good morning once again. Yesterday we have seen some construction of angles. Today we'll continue from there only. Sir, how to draw 22 and a half? Okay, 1 second. Now, let's see. First, for Vaishnav, he is asking how to make an angle of 135 degree. Vaishnav, I have told you, you need to understand the given angle we cannot draw directly. So there are, we need to understand between which two angles it will lie. Vaishnav, we need to understand between which two angles it will lie. So for that, you must be able to draw those angles. Now to find those angles, what we do is, first step is we make it twice. And twice of it is how much, class? It is 270 degree. Now the question comes of the possible things that you can do easily with this. Tell me the possible angles that you can make easily. Okay, Bhavya is saying 90 and 180, the most easiest one. If you do 90 and 180 by 2, you will get this thing. Others, please tell. Okay, are you saying 120 and 150? Okay, or 120 plus 150 upon 2, or Kamaljot saying 90 and 45. Okay, but Kamaljot, in this case, you will just add them. You will not bisect them. I will discuss this separately. Or Ojaswini is saying 120, 150 already done, beta. Others, please say. Ishan saying 210 and 60. Okay. Ishan saying 60 plus 210. Okay, Ishan. Okay, sir, please use my laptop account. I am in waiting. Okay, 1 second. Okay, done. 69 there right now. Now, so class, there is one more way left, that is the 0, 1 or 0 degree plus 270 degree upon 2. So we can have these many possible cases. No, Aryaman, 260 plus 10 you are saying, will you be able to draw 10 degree using compass? Aryaman, will you be able to draw 260 degree using compass? Sorry, 260 or 10? I don't think so. So this combination will not work for us. We will have to go, the most basic one is this one. The most basic one is this one. This is also fine, not that tough. This one which Kamaljot is saying 1945. Kamaljot, if you see 90 plus 45, you are just doing one thing. First, you are drawing an angle of 90 degree like this using compass. Then you are taking this as base. And again you are drawing an angle of 45 degree on this. And then you are saying, sir, my sum is 135. So your way is not wrong, but the way we are trying here is by bisecting the angle. In your way, you are adding the angles. Are you able to understand this, Kamaljot? 90 plus 45 will give you 135, but it is not the case of angle bisecting one. Okay. Jasnoor saying 225 plus 45. Jasnoor, again, it will be a very lengthy process for you. So we will try to make 135 degree using this method, and we can try with, okay, let's do with these two only. You can try with others if you have time at home. Let's see. Let's start. First, we will go for what one? 90 and 120, na? What was it? 90 and 180. Okay, let's see. So, first we will try to make an angle of 90 degree. So, take the scale. So, here we have the pencil. Suppose I call this point A, or 0.2, whatever you want. First, we will draw an angle of 90 degree, or suppose A is here at this point. Let me make it easy for me also. So bring compass on this point A. First, we will try to draw by the same semicircular arc. After drawing the semicircular arc, we all know how to draw 90 degree easily. Class, we all know we will put at 0 degree. We will open the compass more than little bit half. Then we will take the first arc. Let me open it a little bit more. Once you have locked it for the arc, you should not change it. Okay. The first arc is like this. The second arc will be like this. So we have got that. Now let's make the angle of 90 degree. This is the angle of 90 degree. We have 90 and 180 both. Class, you can see this point now signifies, this point now signifies an angle of 90 degree. This point signifies an angle of 180 degree. So we have got both the angles. It was the most easiest way to draw it. Now what we have to do is we have to bisect 90 plus 180 as we have seen in the formula. The formula that we have made, class, you all have seen. If you do 90 plus 180 upon 2, you will get the answer. So let's see. Now keeping on 90, we will take the first arc. It will come somewhere here. Now keeping on 180 degree, second arc, and we have got the required angle. So class, are you able to understand how we obtain this 135 degree angle? Is it clear to everyone? This angle is 135 degree. You can see, keeping the compass or the protector on it, you will find it is very close or exactly equal to 135 degree. There is one more way. You can draw 45 degree from the opposite side, then also it is fine. Sir, how to draw angle 5? Why you want to draw angle 5? Sir, please repeat Mishti Chawla. Okay. Mishti, what I have done is, first I have drawn an angle of 90 degree. After that, I have 180 degree. I know 180 plus 90 is 270 and upon 2 gives me 135 degree. That gave me an idea. If I bisect this angle 90 degree and this angle 180 degree, I will get an angle of 135 degree. That's it. So this angle is how much? 135 degree. This was the first way to draw this. Now we will try the second one, which is that 0 and 270. Let us see that also. I think it is fine for you. Maybe that will confuse you, no? So let's see that also. Okay, Aryan Rathi is there in the waiting room. So Mishti, the concept is same. We just have to find two angles between which our angle is lying. Second case I told you is 0 plus what, class? 270. That is also fine. Let's see that. For 0 and 270, we all know if this is the point, 180 and 360, no. But where, if you take 180 and 360, acha, you are saying between that it is lying. Okay, once again. Class, let me see. For 270 degree, I will be drawing a larger arc like this. Do you agree with me, class? For 270 degree, I will have to draw this larger arc. Now this angle signifies 0 degree. We all know. Where is a pencil? 1 second, let me remove it right now. This signifies an angle of 0 degree. tell me how can we find an angle of 90 degree below this, because we know 180 plus 90 is 270 degree. Class, how can we find? Same procedure. Please tell. How can you draw 270 degree on this? Yes, again we have to take compass. This time we will draw right angle on the downside, or you can draw on the upside also. One second, let me show you. One second. If you take it here, it is a little bit complicated for you, but still that one was fine, the first one. So what I'm doing is I am making an angle of 90 degree from back side, that is downwards. But the chapters are same as in your syllabus on the website. You can go for that. So first I'm drawing an angle of 60 degree here. Then I'm drawing an angle of, one second, an angle of 120 degree from the back side. Tegveer Singh. One second. So what do we have now? We have angle of 60 and 120 on the lower side. Just make the arcs. It is a little bit difficult to draw on the lower side. So I suggest you to go for the previous method only, that is 90 and 180. That was the most easiest one. You can try different methods also if you want, for your knowledge only. So this is your just a little bit difficult this side. Okay. So we have got 270 degree angle. Let me show you how. If you join this to this point, class, what we can say is this angle from here to here is how much? 270 degree. Class, so this is your 0 degree and this point is showing an angle of 270 degree. Just showing you the concept. You can go for the previous one, 90 and 180, that would be easy for you. I'm just showing you the concept, how we are able to make the same angle using different combination. Now we need to bisect this angle 0 and 270 and we will get the answer. So again, let's take the compass, keep on 0 angle. Let me open it more than half. It would be required now. Now, taking the first arc, taking the second arc, keeping on 270 degree, we have got the arc. Now let's join it from this point and we have got the desired angle, that is 135 degree. This was the second way to draw this angle. Class, are you able to understand this method also? Please confirm. Are you able to understand this method also? If you are not comfortable with this one, you can go for the first one also, no issue. But this is also a way. Similarly, you can go for different ways for the same angle using the same concept. What is our, thinking process? The angles that we can make easily using compass, we will use those only. Okay, not like that we can use 260 and 10. That will not work for us. Okay. One second. No one is in the waiting room. Sir, please explain this once again. Only last portion. Okay. Tanay, what I did is, let me show you. I gave you different combinations for this angle. I told you this one we have done. First one we done easily. This was also a combination. 0 plus 270 by 2. This came to my mind because making 270 is easy. 270 is just 180 degree plus 90 degree. So what I did is I tried to make 270 degree first. In this diagram you can see I just made a circle like this and I tried to make this angle of 90 degree from back side, which makes it 270 degree from front side. Now what I did is I used this point as 0 degree. I used this point as 270 degree. Keeping compass on these, I made two arcs and then I joined the line and I got angle equal to 135 degree. Tane, I guess it is clear to you now. Tane, please confirm. Tanay, please confirm because recording will be there. No issue. You can watch again. Okay, it's okay for you. So Aaron was asking 22 and a half. Class, it is very easy question. Again, I have told you to understand whether you are able to draw an angle or not. You just make it twice first. Class, please tell me what is twice of this angle? The twice is 45 degree. And now we have to understand which two angles you need to bisect to get this. So you need to bisect 0 plus 45 upon 2. This will give you this angle. Or is there any other way, class, apart from this? Acha. Tanay is saying bisect 90 then 45. Okay. 50 and 30. 30, yes, he is also correct. 50 plus 30 upon 2. But this one is cumbersome. In this case, first you will draw 60, then you will draw 30, then you will draw 15. So you will have to draw 3 times bisector, then you will get the answer. But in our this case, we just need to bisect 90 degree, 1, and then these two. So I think this will be easy for you. Aaron, go for this one to draw 22.5 degree. Okay. Aaron, please confirm. Okay. Now the next concept, construction of triangles. Class, we have done many questions and especially in class 8 we have done construction of some quadrilaterals. If you remember chapter number 4. Now construction of triangle, we need at least how many things? Please tell me. To construct a triangle using compass and scale, you need at least how many things? Please confirm. Class, we need, okay, Vaishnav is saying 3 angles. No beta. Tanay is saying, Parkhi is saying 3 angles. No. If you remember, I told you, if I give you 3 angles equal to 60 degree, can you draw a unique triangle from that? I want you to ask 3 things that can give you a unique triangle. Tell me that. We need at least 3 things. You are correct. But those should be some particular pattern. We have seen some criteria for congruency. Yes, class. We have seen the first criteria for congruency is angle, side, angle. Second, we have seen side, angle, side. Third, we have seen side, side, side. Fourth, we have seen angle, angle, side. And last, we have seen R, H, S. And luckily, these are the combinations only. Class, these are the combinations only which if given to you, you can draw a triangle uniquely. Now let me tell you why your way is wrong, Parkhi. Why triple A is wrong? Because if I give you 3 angles, 60, 60, 60, you will not be able to understand which equilateral triangle is correct, the above one or the below one, because it will not give you a unique figure. Parkhi and the other who was saying 3 angles, now are you able to understand why it is not enough for us? Class, those who were saying 3 angles, now are you able to understand why 3 angles is not enough for us? Yes, sir. So this way is not correct. So we will use the criteria that we have used for congruency, because we have seen over there, these are making a triangle unique. These 3 things at a time are making a triangle unique. The first one is, if you are given an angle, then a side, then again an angle, you can draw the triangle. Suppose I give you angle A is 30 degree, AB is 10 centimeter, and angle B is 40 degree. Sorry, suppose it is 90 degree suppose. Class, will this be enough to draw triangle? Please tell me, will this be enough? Class, please tell me. Yes, it will be enough because this will give you a unique triangle. Why? First you will draw AB is equal to 10 centimeter. Then you will go for this angle A. This is 30 degree. You will go for compass. You will take two arcs by 60 and 120. Sorry, 60 only. And then you will bisect 60 and 0. Something like this. You will get this thing. Now you know your point C lies somewhere on this line. The issue is where. To find the point C on this line, what will you do? Class, to find the position of point C, you will find angle B. That's it. You will find angle B, which is 90 degree. For this, you will do this thing and you will get the position of point C is here. And we are able to draw a triangle uniquely using these three things. Suppose I have changed the question to make it confusing. I would have given you angle A equal to 30 degree, AB equal to 10 centimeter, and instead of giving you angle B, I gave you angle C. Suppose I gave you angle C as 90, 31, 20, 60 degree. Now what would you do? It is now like a angle side. If you see, it is like a angle side. If you observe, it is given to you as 30, it is given to you as 60. Class, now tell me, how will you draw this? How will you do this? Let me tell you. Same thing you will do. First you will draw the base AB, then you will draw angle A equal to 30 degree. Now you are confused. Now you are confused, Parkhi, because on this line, where you will put the point C? Please tell me that. How will you find point C so that you can make the angle over there? Class, please suggest me what to do. No, you cannot take AC as base, Ayush. You don't know the length of AC. You cannot take AC. Very good, Jasnoor. Jasnoor gives the right answer. Beta Utkarsh, that was I am saying na. How will you draw angle on C when you don't know where it is located? Bhavya also gave the correct answer. Others, please think, please think, please think. Vaishnav gave the correct answer. Yes, Abhishek, very good. We can find angle B. Easy. We can find angle B by angle sum property. And that will give me this as 90 degree. And by that we can draw the triangle. Very easy. So you don't need to find C position because you cannot find it by any method. So you need to find angle B, and as soon as you find it, it will be easy for you to draw the triangle. Class, now I think you are able to understand. Similarly, so we have covered at least two cases. We have covered two cases now. We have seen ASA and we have seen double AS. Class, do you agree with me? We have covered two cases. Do you agree? Yes. Now the third case, the most easiest one in the world, that is triple S. If I give you three sides, it will be very easy for you. If I say AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter, and suppose third side is your CA is suppose 4 centimeter, you just need to draw the base of suppose 5 centimeter, then you take an arc from here, then you take an arc from here of the required lengths, and then you join them, you get the triangle. Very easy it was. Class, this is just a recap of what we have done. This is not in your course. I'm just trying to recall or make you revise all the methods that we have already read or understood in class 7th and 8th. Okay, now we have seen three methods. The fourth one is RHS and SAS. SAS is simple. Let us see RHS. It is also simple, class. If someone gives you that base is equal to 4 centimeter equal to AB, angle B is equal to 90 degree, and suppose this is the triangle, the rough diagram for me, ABC. This angle is given to you 90, AB is given to you 4, and let me give you this AC. AC is equal to what is this? 5. So I have given you hypotenuse, right angle and one side. Now tell me, how will you draw triangle? Tell me, how will you draw the triangle? Again, you will draw first the AB as 4, then you will draw the angle of 90 degree like this. Now tell me, how will you find point C on this? Tell me, how will you find? Yes, Vaishnav, again, you can do two things. You have drawn this perpendicular, you can take a length of 5 centimeter on compass, and keeping it on this side, you can cut a length of 5. If you cut the length of 5, you will easily get this point C. Or other way is you can find this by Pythagoras theorem, this CB, and that will also help you. So we have understood these 5 criterias help us to draw a triangle uniquely, we have seen. And tomorrow we will see there are some other ways that we will be studying in class 9 especially to draw a triangle, some different cases. Okay class? Is this clear to everyone?